Best Google Pixel 9 cases are top picked under $70. Google Pixel 9 series just arrived on August 13th, packed with a plethora of mind-blowing features, deeply integrated with Gemini AI. It helps you to be productive, creative, and more expressive. It received a few significant upgrades in contrast to its predecessors and is extravagant, which needs to be protected with an exceptional case to remain in good condition for a longer duration. So here are the top choices for Google Pixel 9 cases that ensure to offer utmost protection for this flagship model. SpyGen Rugged Armor for Pixel 9. For all the Google Pixel phones, Rugged Armor from SpyGen has always remained the top choice. Its replenishment for the latest flagship Pixel 9 model is something that would never fail to captivate users. It's available in 2 vibrant hues with textured edges and ensures to provide solid protection against drops. Snag this masterpiece for just $17 from Amazon and $30 from SpyGen's official website. Mousse Limitless 5.0 for Pixel 9. The Mousse Limitless 5.0 is another amazing choice for the Pixel 9 series that radiates premium vibes, as it has built-in MagSafe style magnets for use in an extensive range of appliances. The case includes almost 6 backplate materials to choose from and customize it accordingly. Moreover, it ensures that your phone is secure against dents, abrades, bumps, and more. Available for $70 at Amazon and a cost-reduced price of $65 at Mousse. JE Tech Clear Case for Pixel 9. If you're looking for a transparent and clear case to flaunt the original design and hues of Pixel 9, then JE Tech is substantially a remarkable choice. It's efficiently manufactured from polycarbonate materials and ensures it offers the utmost protection to your devices. One of the best features about it is that it's compatible with the wireless charger, just available for $10 at Amazon.